Imagine a night sky suddenly ablaze with reds, blues, and greens. Each firework's hue comes from a specific metal salt, carefully chosen for its color-bringing properties. When heated, these salts absorb energy, and their atoms get excited, literally. As they relax back down, they release this energy as visible light, but each metal emits a different color. Strontium salts create deep reds, copper yields blues, and barium produces greens. The next time you watch fireworks, you'll know that every burst of color is a carefully crafted spectacle, powered by the marvels within metal salts.